How to create a Gmail account. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video I am going to show you the easiest way to create a Gmail account. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open your mobile settings. So here you go, and after that scroll down and find out accounts and backup. So tap on here and now tap on manage accounts, and once you are here, then tap on add account, then tap on Google, tap on here, and now you have to verify your identity by giving the fingerprint or password. And from here you have to tap on create account, tap on here, now tap on for myself, and here you have to type your first name and surname. So in the first box type your first name, and in the second box you have to type your surname. So after that tap on next, and now select your date of birth, and after that tap on gender, and now select your gender, then tap on next, and after that here you have to type the Gmail address name that you want. So type here your preferred email address, and after that tap on next, and as you can see that I can't use this username as my Gmail address because this username is taken. Now I have to add some number or something in order to create a new username. So after that tap on next again. Now you have to type a password for your Gmail account. So I'm gonna type a password, and after typing password then tap on next, and now here you have to type your phone number. So type your phone number here. After typing your phone number then tap on next, and then again tap on next, and scroll down and tap on I agree, and our Gmail account has been created. So open your Gmail account and tap on this profile icon at the upper right side, and here you can see that my new Gmail account has been created. So following this simple process you can also create your new Gmail account. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.